What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Safi and I'm back with another video. Today guys, I'm currently outside. I'm about to ox out one coconut. I don't know what time it is. Well, I'm not going to ox it out on the video, but I'm going to break the coconut. I'm going to see what I'm going. So yeah, we're going to do some Sunday food. So you know, say rice and peas and some nice chicken. It doesn't have to be rice and peas, but this is what I'm giving you guys for today. So we're going to do the rice and peas and we're going to do a home style chicken. Well flavorful. So just watch the video. And before you guys go, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. Leave a comment, no man. Tell me what going on in our video and what you think. And don't forget, drop the thumbs up, alright? And subscribe. Can't exaggerate on this enough, people. Rice and peas time. So we're gonna also these guys and get into the video. Alright people, so let's get into the video now. So here I have my chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna just season up the chicken from overnight and kinda let it marinate. So basically what I have on here is just some cracked pimentos or some crushed pimentos, some Maggi all-purpose, some Maggi chicken seasoning, and some thyme leaf, if you can see the thyme leaf right there. And that's pretty much it. And I've allowed this to marinate overnight. So I'm gonna fry these off and then we're gonna cook them down. In the meantime, over here I have my thyme and my pepper and some coconut milk, which I'm gonna be adding to the rice and peas. So when I see the oil hot now, time to throw in the chickens. Probably squeeze over my leg right here, so put that one right here. For my rice and peas, I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. Give it a little stir. So guys, turn the chicken and I'm adding some chiffon butter to my rice and peas. Wash the rice already and everything. So we're gonna add in the rice. See it there? I'm just gonna pour that in. And if you want, you can add a little bit of thyme to your rice and peas as well. I'm not putting any in mine, but you can add it because some people do add thyme to it, and it gives the rice a nice flavor. So, adding the rice. Give that a little stir. And allowing this to dry down a little, and then we'll lower the flame and allow the rice to steam. So we're going to check on the chicken now, pull them from the oil, and then we're going to get into the gravy part. Alright guys, so while we have the rice over there doing its thing, this is the chicken that we fry, and it's nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to show you what you'll need for your gravy. Alright, for your gravy now guys, we have some bell peppers, some onions, some thyme, piece of ginger, and some scallion, some tomatoes here, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, and some Irish and carrots in this one. So let's get into the gravy part. Alright guys, so here's a little thing that I do with my home style chicken. So the same container that I basically left the meat to marinate in, I usually just add some water to it after. And in the process of cooking over the chicken, I don't add any oil. So after frying the chicken, no oil is added. I'm basically going to be using the marinade water and add it to my meat. So using the marinade water is almost like cooking the chicken into something like a stock, because it's basically flavored already with all of the juices that is left from the chicken. So I add my marinade water, and I'm gonna allow this to simmer for a little bit, and I'm also gonna be adding some browning and some ketchup. So I'm gonna get a little bit more water on this and basically just mix in some ketchup and some browning. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking. So this is just some plain water. And I'm adding some browning. Just kind of mix that in. And also some Grace ketchup, the best ketchup for me. Just whisk that in. And this is what is gonna give your chicken a nice color. You guys see what's up? There you go. Kind of sink that chicken in it a little. Alright. So for the fact that you have the chicken basically in a stock, you're going to be going ahead and flavoring this stock some more. So we're adding some garlic. This is about 6 cloves of garlic, sorry. So let me just get all that out. So some garlic. And remember, this way is a perfect way. If you don't like a lot of grease on your stomach, this is very good, because you're just basically frying the chicken in the oil. And if you don't like your gravy too greasy, this is the way. no oil is added after frying. It's just the marinated water or the flavored water like a stock, and then you add your chicken and you add your natural seasonings to give it the flavor. I'm adding a little bit of ginger as well, the thyme, the scallions, the onions. This is absolutely fantastic. Good flavor coming from all of this. I'm leaving a little bit of this behind just for when my chicken actually coming down to that nice gravy part. I add this in last. And I'm gonna add my scotch bonnet pepper, and some tomatoes. Get that all in. Just gonna kinda push them around in the pot and allow these flavors to really simmer and infuse the chicken. So just go allow this to simmer down up to a gravy point, and we'll show you the rest after. Alright people, so this is the chicken being cooking down into the nice little gravy. Now we're gonna thicken this up, so we're gonna add the Irish and the carrot, and we're gonna be adding a little bit more ketchup to this. Add our carrots and our Irish potato. Kind of just push that around. We're going to be adding a little bit more ketchup. Nice. And the rest of the seasoning. So this is simmer number 2. First one was the first simmer, and this is gonna be the second simmer, which you add your starch and a little bit more ketchup, and we're allowing the potatoes and carrots to cook now. So this is the final, guys. You can see the gravy is nice and reduced, and the Irish is tender, chicken is tender. So I'm just gonna add my final touch to it, and that is some nice green bell peppers. Kind of move them around like that. This is absolutely amazing. Until next time, guys, I'm gonna share this out and let you guys actually get a nice picture plating. So until next time, stay tuned and don't forget, like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.